Lipids are a diverse group of molecules found in living organisms. They are essential for life and play a variety of roles. Lipids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. However, unlike carbohydrates, they have a much higher proportion of carbon and hydrogen atoms relative to oxygen. Lipids are not polymers like proteins or carbohydrates, meaning they are not made up of repeating units. Instead, they have diverse structures that contribute to their wide range of functions. What unites lipids is their hydrophobic nature. This means they do not mix well with water. Think about what happens when you mix oil and water. The oil, a type of lipid, separates from the water. This hydrophobic nature is crucial for the role lipids play in cells, particularly in the formation of cell membranes. Lipids are a fascinating group of molecules with a variety of biological roles, which we will explore in more detail in the following sections. The most defining characteristic of lipids is their hydrophobic nature, stemming from their structure. This means they are insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents like chloroform and benzene. This property is what allows lipids to form barriers within cells and regulate what enters and exits. While hydrophobicity is a key characteristic, some lipids are amphipathic. These molecules have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic regions. A common example is phospholipids, which make up cell membranes. They possess a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. This unique structure allows them to form a bilayer in an aqueous environment, with their heads facing the water and the tails tucked inside, away from the water. The hydrophobic and amphipathic nature of lipids is crucial for their diverse functions, including energy storage, structural integrity of cells, and cell signaling. Lipids, unlike many other biomolecules, do not share a single defining structural element. Their diversity is reflected in their varied structures. However, most lipids contain fatty acids, which are long hydrocarbon chains with a carboxyl group at one end. These fatty acid chains can vary in length and saturation. Saturated fatty acids have no double bonds between carbon atoms, while unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds. These differences in saturation affect the physical properties of lipids. For example, saturated fats, like those found in butter, are solid at room temperature, whereas unsaturated fats, like olive oil, are liquid. Triglycerides, the most common type of fat in our bodies, consist of 3 fatty acids attached to a glycerol molecule. This structure makes them efficient energy storage molecules. Understanding the basic building blocks of lipids allows us to appreciate how their structure dictates their function within living organisms. Lipids are broadly classified into several categories based on their structure and function. One major group is the glycerides, which include fats and oils. These consist of glycerol and fatty acids. Fats, which are solid at room temperature, are usually rich in saturated fatty acids, while oils, which are liquid, primarily contain unsaturated fatty acids. Another important category is phospholipids. These are similar to triglycerides but have one fatty acid replaced with a phosphate group. This modification makes them amphipathic, giving them a crucial role in cell membrane formation. Steroids, unlike other lipids, have a ring structure. Cholesterol is a well-known example, important for cell membrane integrity and as a precursor for steroid hormones. Waxes, with their long-chain fatty acids linked to alcohols, serve as waterproof coatings in plants and animals. The diverse structures of lipids reflect their wide-ranging roles in biological systems. Fatty acids, the building blocks of many lipids, are hydrocarbon chains with a carboxyl group at one end. They vary in length and the presence or absence of double bonds. Saturated fatty acids, with no double bonds, are typically solid at room temperature, like the fat in meat. Unsaturated fatty acids with one or more double bonds are often liquid at room temperature, like olive oil. The double bonds introduce kinks in the chain, preventing tight packing and resulting in a liquid state. Triglycerides, the most common type of fat, consist of 3 fatty acids attached to a glycerol molecule. They are the main form of energy storage in animals and plants. When we consume more calories than we burn, our bodies convert excess energy into triglycerides stored in adipose tissue or fat. When energy is needed, triglycerides are broken down, releasing fatty acids to be used as fuel. Understanding fatty acids and triglycerides is essential for comprehending energy storage and utilization in living organisms. Section 6. Phospholipids and biological membranes. Phospholipids are a unique type of lipid crucial for life because they form the basis of cell membranes. Their structure is similar to triglycerides, but one fatty acid chain is replaced with a phosphate group, giving them a hydrophilic head and two hydrophobic tails. This amphipathic nature is key to their function. In an aqueous environment, phospholipids spontaneously arrange themselves into a bilayer. The hydrophilic heads face outwards, interacting with the watery surroundings, while the hydrophobic tails point inwards, away from water, creating a barrier. This phospholipid bilayer forms the cell membrane, which encloses the cell and regulates the passage of molecules in and out. It acts as a selective barrier, allowing some molecules to pass through while blocking others, maintaining the cell's internal environment. The unique structure and properties of phospholipids are essential for the existence and function of all living cells. Section 7. Isoprenoids and sterols. Isoprenoids and sterols are two important classes of lipids with diverse biological roles. Isoprenoids are built from 5-carbon isoprene units and are incredibly diverse. This group includes vitamins like vitamin A, essential for vision, and vitamin K, vital for blood clotting. Isoprenoids also encompass plant pigments like carotenoids, responsible for the colors of carrots and tomatoes, and rubber, a natural polymer. Sterols, on the other hand, are characterized by a 4-ringed structure. The most well-known sterol is cholesterol, a crucial component of animal cell membranes. Cholesterol regulates membrane fluidity and serves as a precursor for steroid hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. These hormones play vital roles in growth, development, and stress response. Isoprenoids and sterols showcase the remarkable diversity and importance of lipids in various biological processes. Section 8. The importance of lipids. Lipids are essential for life, playing diverse roles in biological systems. As the main component of cell membranes, they provide structural integrity, regulate what enters and exits cells, and facilitate cell signaling. Lipids are highly efficient energy storage molecules, storing more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. This is why our bodies store excess energy as fat. Lipids also act as insulators, helping to maintain body temperature, particularly in cold environments. Many vitamins are fat-soluble, meaning they require lipids for absorption and transport within the body. Furthermore, lipids play crucial roles in cell signaling, hormone production, and protection of vital organs. Understanding the importance of lipids is crucial for appreciating their impact on human health and well-being. Section 9. Conclusion. In conclusion, lipids are a diverse and essential class of biomolecules with a wide range of structures and functions. From forming the structural basis of cell membranes to storing energy and acting as signaling molecules, lipids are indispensable for life. Their hydrophobic nature and amphipathic properties allow them to create barriers, regulate biological processes, and participate in vital cellular functions. Understanding the different types of lipids, their properties, and their roles in biological systems is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of biology and human health.